Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Wasif Khan. You are watching Innovating Watching channel. So today my topic is about is another Canva tutorial. So now we will discuss about Facebook cover, how we can create a Facebook cover. First of all, I have search in the search bar Facebook cover. So there is so many templates. It's our design depend on our product, our category, what we want design, like if our category is food, so we can search food about in in the search food Facebook cover, so we will find the food category like this one. So I have in the in this template. So let me type their food. So we will there find so many templates. So I will use this one. So it's I have good. So you can type their your brand name, like my brand name is food and drink. Also, if we have a need logo, so you can download and put their logo, and you can also change their color schemes what you have like. So it's up to you. It's also it's depend on your design. So here is one example. So I am going to show on my Facebook cover page. Here is our Facebook. So I have designed this cover page on the Canva. Let me download and show the clearly. You can see this is Facebook cover page. I have download on I have make on the Canva. So you can see this is the fine and great. So here is the food and drink also ready. So you can type there your category, like you have a category social media, yeah, further. So you can type there and choose your design, like you want to choose this. You can add it on yourself. Okay, the further, if you have not idea about design, so you can search there. You can make their customize, like you have a social media, so you will find their images. You can add their images, and also you can put their text, like you can drag and drop this text. Yeah, or also you can type their text like this one. So you can type about your product on this Facebook cover. So guys, in this video we are talk about how we can create a Facebook cover page. So guys, if you like this video, so please share with your friends and family member. Thank you guys. Will you next in the video.